You are live.
Alright, so this is my robotic wagon. It's going to be following this
What is that?
AprilTag. I printed and laminated. Laminating wasn't really that good of an idea because glare, but right here I have the camera and an Arduino.
Show me where the camera is.
Camera's right here.
Okay.
Remove the
That's fine. No,
lens
that's
cover.
fine.
And here there's an Arduino sending signals to another Arduino down here, which then controls everything.
Okay.
And so I have a Python script here on my laptop.
Is that going to eventually be on a Raspberry Pi?
Well, like the Pi 3 was too slow, maybe a Pi 5.
Okay.
But anyway, let's see it in action. All right. Okay. So, first, here's steering.
Let me show people what's happening on the screen as you're doing that here.
Yes. I have the,
As he goes back and forth.
so those dots indicate where it is.
Okay, yeah, go back and forth again.
That's glare.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on.
You ready?
Okay.
I'm here.
It didn't respond to your voice. How did it know?
Because I moved back.
So it's a
tracking
distance?
The size. Yes.
Okay.
Distance. I'm still working out the kinks though.
Okay.
For instance,
Go into the dining room. See if it'll follow you.
okay. Not sure it will make the turn. Let me just move it back a little. Okay.
Can you go to the kitchen?
Will it be able to make the turn?
Because the bag's in the way. It made it? Wait, almost.